Let's make jerk skillet nachos.
So we're getting ready to season it. So I have organic grass-fed ground beef, but you can use what you want. You can use turkey or ground beef. So we have some salt. I have some complete seasoning. A little seasoning salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder, seasoned pepper, my favorite green seasoning, you can't forget this DivineKuizine Jerk Rub or just seasoning, whichever way you say it. This is what's gonna make it a little spicy. I'm putting probably about 3 tablespoons. Smoked paprika. Chili powder. Need that because we're making tacos. A little sesame, sesame. Mix all these seasonings together. So we're gonna add some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and we're gonna add some tomato sauce. I'll have the measurements for you. I got some cream cheese here. Let all this mix together. This is on like medium-high heat, about medium heat. That cream cheese is nice and melted. We got our tomatoes or tomato sauce in here. Jerk sauce. So I'm gonna add red onion. We have some mixed peppers here. So we have red, orange, and yellow. And now we're gonna add our cheeses. There's some mozzarella cheese, a little bit of Italian blend. So that's your Asiago, Parmesan, cheese, and then we have some sharp cheddar. So you don't have to use all these cheeses, you can use one, but I like mine cheesy. So this one skillet nachos. You put the top on, and we're gonna let the cheese melt. And I have it on like medium-high heat. Okay, y'all, so I like to make fresh tortillas for my jerk nachos. These are the ones that I get right here. I get these, they're nice and fresh. They make them fresh here in Atlanta. You can get them at like the Mexican market here. So this is what I have. And all you do is you just fry them up. We're gonna put a little bit of lime and salt on them. And we will have homemade tortilla chips. Okay, y'all, so our chips are done. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt on them. We giving you chipotle today, y'all. Shay's way. We got a little lime, fresh squeezed lime. I'm gonna squeeze on them. And I'm gonna shake it around. There you have chipotle, lime, a little bit of salt, homemade chips. So let's get ready to make our jerk nachos. Okay, y'all, so we just finished doing the one pot dish, the jerk skillet nachos, using DivineKuizine Jerk Rub.
let's go ahead and assemble. And you see me make those homemade chips. So you go ahead and get these out. They still warm, y'all. I should get some guacamole. I'm gonna take this cheesy put that on top. However, so we got our cheesy nachos. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of jalapenos, you know, to give it a little bit of freshness. Some jalapenos on it. Fresh tomatoes. For decorative purposes, a little parsley. And there you have it. Jerk nachos using DivineKuizine Jerk Rub. I can't wait to go in for the taste. Let's go ahead and review these Skillet Nachos. One pot dish that I use the DivineKuizine Jerk Rub on the meat. Good. I'm gonna get one with the jalapeno on it and tomatoes. I can get one with tomatoes, jalapenos, and the peppers, so I can taste everything that went into these Skillet Nachos. Bussin'. So good. It's cheesy. It's jerky. That jalapeno is more heat than even the jerk, so it's like two different spices. Like the jerk is a spice on the meat, but then the jalapeno is that freshness spice. Then you got those fresh tomatoes on top. You got that cheese, those homemade tortilla chips. A must make. You see how easy it was too. I'm gonna start making my nachos like this. This was easier than having to put them in the oven and all that. You just put everything in that one pot, throw it in there, get your tortillas. You didn't have to be all extra like me and do tortilla shells, but if you want to, you see how easy they were. A little salt, a little lime, like you at Chipotle's. Get your skillet, you know, pour your nachos out on your tray with your chips. One pot, one cleanup, not a whole lot of dishes. This recipe will be at DivineKuizine.com, YouTube, follow me on YouTube, become part of the family, subscribe, get notifications on any of my videos. Love y'all, Chef Shay.